Boom. Hey internets, chances are you are starting a clothing line, or maybe you want to do a side hustle alongside your current job or career. Jon Phenom, clothing brand mentor. I've been working in apparel development professionally since 2000. That's a long time. I've been consulting with brands and individuals the last 15 years or so, and I've been able to see a lot of change in the industry. So there's a lot of tools and automation, and all of these things make it easier for a solopreneur to really break ground and create an amazing brand in this day and age right now. So on the channel, we take everything apart from design, production, sales, and marketing, anything surrounding around the success or the formulation or the relaunch of a brand. We also have interviews with industry veterans and people who have just really interesting takes and have experienced a ton of success in different aspects of the game in fashion. If any of that sounds good, consider subscribing with us, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.